Life Balance sent this mattress for our review, and it is obviously a perfect timing because we are in need of a mattress, and this is going to fit perfectly. This is a queen. I'm going to try to do this as most logical as possible. Look at this. This is so cool because it's going to expand. This is a hybrid, meaning it's got the pocket coils, but also memory foam. So let's try and do this. Oh, this is easy. Cool. All right. Now I'm done with the outer layer. Oh, look at that. This is a 12-inch. It also comes in a 10-inch as well, so 12 inches in thickness. Let's go like this. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Now just figure out what side is down. So this is the size down, as you can see. Especially when it's compressed, you can really see those coils. So those are individual pockets. What that means is basically is going to create this kind of sense of like independent coils, meaning if someone moves on the right, the person on the left is not going to feel it, which is awesome. So now is the time where we're actually going to cut it open and get this guy to expand very quickly. Just a little bit of air. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is so cool. So I'm going to help it, obviously. And open it entirely. Let me go on the other side. Look at that. And of course, they recommend waiting a few hours, if not a day, to get it to fully expand and get its shape. But as you can see, this is doing an incredible job already. I'm going to try and get it all. Probably get the knife again. It's going to be a lot easier. There you go. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Gotta be careful, of course. Look at that. So this is what I'm talking about here. So you've got that top part here that has the hybrid. So it has that memory foam. It is extremely soft to the touch. Really nice bounce to it as well. I can't wait to try it out. Yep, Life Balance did it again. This thing is awesome. Obviously fits perfectly. We have a queen bed frame, but the thickness of it, the actual, it's so funny because it's kind of like I'm firm, but I'm also hyper comfortable. It's like, you know, just like doing the contour around my back, around my legs. It is awesome. And you could see it. I'm bouncing and this thing is staying still, which is the whole idea of independent coils. This thing is beautiful. Cannot wait to get this bed ready for tonight.